Do you have a cough, flu, or cold? I have a homemade syrup for you to improve once and for all. End it today. And for this recipe, we only need 1 lemon. I always prefer to put 2, because I always like that extra taste. But the recipe is just 1, let's cut it into slices, peel and all. Lemon acts as a natural antiseptic. It helps relieve coughing, as it covers the walls of the throat, thus softening the symptoms. We will also need a piece of ginger, about 5 centimeters, peel and all. We will cut into very thin slices, and ginger, it helps to strengthen our immune system. It promotes heart health, improves circulation, and can reduce fatigue. Ginger also has strong anti-inflammatory and anti-analgesic properties, and we will also need a tablespoon of cloves. Remembering that cloves have several contraindications, including for pregnant women. At the end of this video, I will talk about all his contraindications, so stay with me until the end. It is a great ally against cough, and it acts as a natural expectorant that helps to loosen the phlegm present in the throat and esophagus. Then we will need a pan and put all the ingredients together with 500 milliliters of hot water on the fire until it starts to boil. When it starts to boil, add 1 cup of mint and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Mint has a very good aroma that will provide benefits for our health, as it helps to open the airways. People who suffer from asthma and allergies can benefit from mint. People with asthma can inhale and also drink some of the tea. The menthol in mint is an excellent decongestant. In addition to being expectorants that help to exclude phlegm and reduce coughing, drinking peppermint tea is a good way to reduce sore throat and dry cough. Before continuing the step-by-step, a very important message. Did you know that only people who are interacting with the page receive our recipes? And interacting is who likes, shares, and comments. So if you didn't do it now. To see our tips firsthand, enjoy and say below which city you are talking about. But I always send a hug to whoever comments. After letting it cook for another 5 minutes, just let the mint wither a little and then it's ready. Just let this syrup cool down well, because then you can drink it. And you can strain now. Guys, before going to the glass, I strain this drink, okay? So don't forget about this point, and if you like videos like this with natural recipes, like this one that helps your health, leave your love and don't forget to comment below your city, because I really like to see how far the video has come, and share this personal video. This one is very tasty and there's no need to add sugar. Its flavor is amazing and its benefits are even more. I had this tea today and I already felt an improvement. The taste is amazing. Reminding everyone that cloves are contraindicated in pregnancy, breastfeeding, and children under 6 years of age, since there are no studies on its effects in these groups. It is also not recommended in case of gastritis or ulcer. This was the video. I hope you liked it. I'll stop here. Stay with God, until next time.